I'm putting together my nephew's wedding right now. I'm doing it this Wednesday out of state. But it got me thinking about how much technology I rely on to make sure that these events happen. Usually the first thing happens is a phone call or a text like just came through that I'll look at here in a little bit. Then after that, usually I'll prepare like a Word document on my computer, my desktop, and I have to have Microsoft Office to do that. And then I will print out everything that I need. Nice and bold, so I have these sheets of paper in front of me. I don't see real well sometimes, especially in the dark. The big bold text helps me. Paper is not technology, but I need technology to print the paper. Plus I gotta have the paper. In this case, it's ceremony, reception, grand entrance, and special requests. There's 4 sheets here, separate sheets that I have. Now, because I'm doing a ceremony, I have to have some kind of tablet. Some people use a iPad. I use Android tablets. This is an Amazon tablet I've hacked with the DJ program from Algorithm, and a micro SD card for all of the music that I'm putting on it. Now it's got to be battery powered because my ceremony systems are battery powered. I've ran into way too many problems where people want to get married where there's not power, so I just use battery powered stuff now, and that includes an LD Systems Maui 5 Go, and they need wireless microphones. So I've got to have a wireless mic for them. Plus, I need to have some kind of power source for it, and I'm using the Colorado Sound & Light lithium ion power pack. I also have a wired mic that I use. And then, of course, you need lighting. It needs to be charged, because that's battery powered too. It doesn't have to be battery powered, but it's made it easier for me for it to be that way. And then, of course, you have your speakers, your mixing board, your main computer, your backup computer, and so many other things that are involved in this. If one thing goes, you have to replace it and get it ready for your events pretty quick. Sometimes something will go during the week and you have to scramble to get a computer ready for gigging. I've done it before. I've had computers fail on me. I've had hard drives fail on me. Always have a backup, of course. But once you lose a machine, you no longer have a backup because you're using your backup. You have to refurbish the machine you have or get a new one and get a gig ready. This is all very time consuming, but just the money alone, you think about this. And even if you just look at the ceremony all by itself, how much stuff it takes to pull this off, how many things have to work right. And if something doesn't work right, you got a problem. You got to have backup. You got to be able to replace it. So the question is, are we really charging enough for some of these services? Again, let's just look at the ceremony system. What do you got? A battery-powered speaker, some kind of battery-powered wireless microphone, some kind of battery-powered music source. Let's say just one of those things go. The power pack goes, or the tablet goes, or the speaker goes, and you're a few days out from gigging. Let's say that getting it ready for your gig isn't a problem. Just the purchase alone. Are you charging enough for the service of doing the ceremony to replace any one of these pieces? You should. Plus profit. It's just how it goes. So, I don't know. I don't like to talk money, but there's a lot of money invested here. One little thing goes, I got a problem. How about you? What's your backup plan? Do you charge enough to replace this stuff if there's a problem? Are you making profit on top of that? Let us know in the comment section. That's it. Stay tuned for more videos this week. Although I will be out of town, stuff will be posted. So we'll see you then. I really do appreciate you for tuning in. Your subscriptions, your likes, your comments, good or bad, I appreciate. So thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Take care, practice, and enjoy.